Got an Exxon Mobil gift card and ready to fill up your tank without spending a dime? Let's get that fuel flowing seamlessly. First things first, head to your nearest Exxon or Mobil station and pull up to an available pump. Once you're ready to purchase fuel, you'll interact with the payment screen at the pump itself. On the payment screen, look for the option that says Gift Card or Other Payment Methods. You'll then select Gift Card. To proceed, this tells the system you'll be using a prepaid card. Now, take your Exxon Mobil gift card. You'll need to swipe the magnetic stripe on the back of the card through the designated card reader on the pump. Make sure you swipe it firmly and smoothly, just like you would a regular credit or debit card. After swiping, the pump screen might ask you to enter a PIN if your gift card has one. If there's no PIN required, it will simply process the card. Follow any on-screen prompts carefully. The system will then check the balance on your gift card and deduct the fuel cost from it. If your gift card balance is enough to cover the full amount of your fuel purchase, you're all set. Your transaction is complete. In cases where the gift card balance doesn't cover the entire fuel cost, the pump will inform you of the remaining amount. You'll then have the option to pay the difference using another payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, or cash. And that's it. Using your Exxon Mobil gift card at the pump is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy your fuel on us. Happy driving.